Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a cheery pink Valentine's Day card with lots of die cutting and dimension, so let's get started. First, I'm using the new Lovely Layers Playing Cards die set to create a royal flush. I'm using 2 shades of pink cardstock along with red, light gray, and white cardstock to die cut all the pieces. It's a lot of fun putting together these cute playing cards. I add the white backing to the light gray card and then adhere the pink hearts. The gray backing and the largest heart have outlines showing you exactly where to place all your pieces. I create 5 cards alternating the 2 shades of pink cardstock. The die set has tons of pieces that would allow you to literally create a full deck of cards if you wanted. I love all the details and how the hearts, diamonds, spades, or clovers all cut with 1 pass of a die for each card. Then I add the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace with red cardstock. Since the pieces are thin, I apply a little glue to a scrap of cardstock and use tweezers to lightly dip the letters into the glue. This helps ensure that you won't have glue squeezing out onto the cardstock. Next, I take a piece of pink cardstock and spritz it with water on both sides. This helps to soften the fibers of the paper to make sure it won't crack when I run it through my die cutting machine with the Aces 3D embossing folder. I love all the detail and dimension of the embossing folder, and it's the perfect tone-on-tone background for my design. I trim that pink panel down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and adhere it to a top folding white card base. Next, I'm using the new Playful Alpha dies to die cut my sentiment from black glitter cardstock. I adhere my cards on a diagonal across the card panel, overlapping them slightly. Then I add my sentiment around the cards. Finally, I add a few more hearts around and inside the card to finish it. I really love all the sparkle and dimension on this card. It's not a lightweight design, but all those dimensional details really make it special. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting! Bye!